Hi and happy snow day. I'm at home and I want to show you a product that we came across. So I've got two kids and of course my wife, and we're all sharing this bathroom here, which means that the sink gets clogged up with everything from shaving cream and toothpaste to hair. So came across this pretty cool product, and I guess the first two people that share this video, I'll drop one off for you. But what we come across a lot in the home inspections is a slow drain. And so if you have a slow drain and you're selling, you want to use this because the inspector is going to pick it up, and they're going to require a plumber to come in, which is going to cost you a few $100s. Or if you have a slow drain and you're not selling, this is just a great way to make life easier and better. So what I'm doing is just running the water to show you what a slow drain is. Now there's probably some technical way to measure it, but generally speaking, it's not something that gets measured. It's just visual. And so I'm just running the water the way you would if you're brushing your teeth or anything like that. And you can see that my drain's filling out just a little bit. So what I'm going to do is stop the video, unpackage this, and let that fill for a second, and I'll show you how it works. All right, so I've been running this for a second. You see it doesn't drain down very quickly. So I just unpackaged this device, and what I'm going to do is just slide it in here into the drain. Now, fair warning, this is kind of a gross thing. What we're doing, instead of using and you can see I'm just twisting this around, right? Instead of using Drano or something like that, we're actually removing stuff that Drano can't clear out. So as I twist, I'm gently pulling, and sorry you had to see that, but this is what's slowing down our drain. Now something I don't have, you can take that off, something I don't have right now is a bag. So I guess when you're doing this, you want to have a bag, but you can see just from that one removal, the water is draining just about as fast as it comes in. This comes with two in the package, and so if you have two drains, or sometimes if you have a really clogged drain, you might just use it twice. And so anyhow, good luck.